This training unit looks at the IXO cordless screwdriver from Bosch. The IXO is ideal for all screwdriving jobs in and around the house. When large tools are too bulky and heavy, the IXO impresses with its small size and outstanding performance. The new IXO always sits perfectly in your hand, thanks to its new ergonomic design. The new trigger can be operated in a wide variety of grip positions. The intuitive forward-reverse switch is also comfortable to reach. Press the switch forwards to drive screws and pull the switch back to unscrew them. The position of the switch prevents you from accidentally changing the rotation of direction. The new lighting concept has two modes. One for illuminating small areas with a spotlight, and one for illuminating large areas with scattered light. This ensures that the work area is always perfectly lit. The compact ergonomic design with soft grip makes the tool comfortable to use. The battery charged level indicator lights up red when the battery charge has dropped below 30%. The micro USB connection enables the battery to be recharged quickly and conveniently. The tool holder enables you to use the optionally available collection adapters, making the IXO even more versatile. The torque setting adapter ensures that neither the screw head nor the surface get damaged. The angle screw adapter gets into even the smallest of corners. The offset angle adapter even makes it easy to drive screws close to edges. The IXO is also great at helping out around the house. It can be used to open bottles, season food, blow barbecues, and cut soft materials up to 6 mm thick. Now have fun with the IXO cordless screwdriver from Bosch.
Aquí puede ver el martillo perforador GBH36VLI Compact Professional con batería de litio de 36 voltios. Con un peso increíblemente ligero y una potencia equiparable a una herramienta con cable, este martillo perforador es especialmente apropiado para aplicaciones en interior. El GBH36VLI Compact Professional convence por su peso de solo 2,9 kilos. El martillo a batería permite realizar perforaciones de hasta 18 milímetros. Y gracias al eficiente motor Bosch EC, se pueden realizar hasta 100 perforaciones con una misma carga de batería. El sistema Vibration Control de Bosch reduce las vibraciones y garantiza un trabajo cómodo y sin fatiga. La batería de litio es tan robusta que resiste incluso una caída desde 2 metros de altura y mantiene intactas sus funciones. Increíblemente ligero y tan potente como una herramienta con cable, el martillo perforador a batería GBH36VLI Compact Professional.